How to add buttons on Google site. First is to click this insert, which is located on the right side, and then scroll down until you find this option button. Now under name, whatever you input in this section will appear on your button. And in link, you can use an external link or you can link it to your site. Once done, click insert. Now you have created your button. So you can resize this button or you can drag and drop it anywhere in your site. So the color of your button by default will go by your theme. So to know your theme, all you have to do is click themes, which is beside pages, and then scroll down. And as you can see, in my case, this is the theme that I have chosen. And so when I switch into another color, it will change the color of my button. Another way of changing the color of this button is by switching the background color. So you can do this by clicking this section colors, and then you can select from any of these options. So there is another way to change the color of your button if you do not like any of these styles provided, which is to customize it. So to do this, just head over to Themes and then scroll back up, and under Custom, click Create Theme. Now under Name, you can just type in New Theme. And then you can add a logo and a banner image. For this, I'll just click Next. And then in here, you can select the preset color for your theme. Or you can also do custom colors. But for this, I'll be choosing from these options. Once done, click Next. Now start selecting the font for your titles and headings, as well as for your body text. So you can do this by clicking this drop-down arrow button and select the font that you want to use. So once done, click Create Theme. Now in this part here, click the drop-down arrow button beside Components. Scroll down and you will see the section button. Now in here, you can start selecting the colors that you want to use. So if you want to select the option Field button, you can select from any of these colors. Or if you want to choose the outline button, or if you want to use the text button. So when you click the button, you will see this drop-down arrow button. Click that and you will be provided with the same option as you have in here. So for you to see the difference, I will switch it back to its original background color. So as you can see, when I choose outlined, it presents the same color as what I've chosen here. Going back to field and text. So you can create more styles by clicking this style tool and select another set of colors and style 3. So once you're done customizing your button, don't forget to hit the publish to save your changes. And so that is how you add buttons on Google Sites. Thank you and have a great day.